Dixie Belle is my whole life. I mean, at this point, my whole family works here. We've created great products, a great brand. The 10-year anniversary of Dixie Belle, to me means, to be honest, we've made it. To know that you've just next stepped yourself into 10 years is mind-blowing to me. We've seen tremendous exponential growth, which is really exciting. Our retailers, our numbers have grown and grown, as well as our end users. We've added different paint lines and different product lines, and so we've had a really fun 10 years. Dixie Belle is a family. We are very inclusive, and we just want to provide a great product for however it fits into that person's life. So Dixie Belle means the world to me. My name is Suzanne Fulford. I am the founder and CEO of Dixie Belle Paint, and we started 10 years ago in 2014. We have a lot of special things coming up for this year, and we've been, believe it or not, planning it for quite a while. Pretty much all of 2023 we've been planning this.
We are super excited about celebrating our 10-year anniversary with the world.
We want to do a series over this year where we're going to show you little bits and pieces of Dixie Belle Paint and how we started.
We have come up with a great idea of monthly videos that are going to give a little bit of a hint about the real work behind the scenes of Dixie Belle.
Show you behind the curtain stuff that's never been shown before, introduce you to people in the customer support and marketing and operations.
You're going to get to know the staff, you're going to get to know the dogs, you're going to get to know some of the people that have been with us from the very beginning.
We want the whole year to be a big celebration.
So many people ask us, they want to see where the mystery, where everything is made, and the people behind the brand. And we've always wanted to do that. We just never really found the right time, and we feel like this is the right time. It's going to be an exciting month-to-month video, and then we're going to scale those out not only to the social media platforms, but we'll do little short form videos too that hopefully you all will follow us and just get to learn a little bit more about the best paint on planet Earth.
So we do have special things coming up. I think that everybody is going to be really happy and really excited when they see everything that we are coming out with. And as we go through this series, I'm sure we'll be talking more about those things. So whether you're new to Dixie Belle or you've been using Dixie Belle for 10 years, first of all, we want to thank you. We want to show everybody how much we care about the products, how much we care about them and their experience with Dixie Belle. And we want to just show you some behind the scenes because everybody's also always asked us about that. But mostly we just want to let you know all the care and love, quite honestly, that goes into producing this product to help you create your creations.